Hey guys! Today, something strange is going on. Oh no, all our animal puzzles have fallen into pieces. Look! We gotta put them back together. Let's start with this guy. First, we need to find its mane. Here it is. We're fast, right? Now the body. Found it. That was a tough one. Now the face. Wrong. Nope. Not this one. Aha, this is the one we need. It's a lion. Lions are the world's second largest cats. They live in groups called prides. You can hear a lion roar from far away. The next animal. Let's find its claws first. This is one claw. It's red. And this is another one. It's red too. Now we need the legs. Aha, look at this. We'll need this piece too. Help me find the eyes. What a choice. I think these ones. Oops, they don't fit. Wrong pick. Let's try these ones. Perfect. We also need the body. Let's see. Might be this one. What do you think? It's red, just like the claws. It's a crab! Crabs have 10 feet and they walk sideways. Shells protect their soft bodies. I need your help with this creature. Let's find its head. Which one is it? I think we found it. Let's put it in its place. We can look for the paws now. Maybe these ones? That's right. And here is the second pair. Now the tail. Which one do we need? It must be one of these. Let's try this fluffy one. It doesn't fit. Then it must be this tail. Woohoo! It fits! Just one piece left. Gotcha! We've got a cat. Cats have very good night vision. If a cat is purring, it usually means it's happy and calm. Let's move on and find this animal's legs. One of these pieces might fit. Let's try this one. Yep, now we need the front legs. I think this is the right piece. Let's find the head now. Well. Let's see. Right, here it is. I think it'll fit perfectly. It's a giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest animals on Earth. All giraffes have different patterns. Next one. This animal. Let's start with the head. What do you think? Must be this one. It's big and round and yellow. Yay! But what is this piece? No. Wait a second. That's what we need. Time to find the body. We need something yellow again. Could be this big piece. Let's check. So, did we find the right one? We also need this wing. I think this is what we need. It's a duck. Ducks are actually great divers, and they can see well underwater. Let's continue. This animal has a tail. Let's find it. Can you see it? How about this one? Looks good to me. Yes, it fits. Now we'll look for the body. This piece looks like something we need, don't you think? Aha! Now we gotta find this piece. Here's the piece we need. Just this one left. Woohoo! We've got it, friends! It's a whale! Whales are huge animals. They're warm-blooded like people. Some whales sing songs that last for a long time. What's next? This animal. Let's start with its ears. Ah, both the ears and the eyes. Help me look for this piece. That was easy, right? I think the body will be of the same color. What do you think? Is it the right one? Yep, we got it right. But we need more pieces. Aw, look at these cute paws with a mushroom. What's left? The tail. I think this is what we need. Yes. But one more piece is still missing. It's this one! It's a squirrel. Squirrels have 4 front teeth that never stop growing. They're strong to crack nuts open. Wow, what a weird animal! Let's find its eyes. Huh, that's a big choice. Let's try these ones. Fit perfectly. Now, the body. Have you guessed what animal it is, guys? Just give me the name, will you? Uh-oh, one piece still missing. Can it be this one? Yes, it's a ladybug. Not all ladybugs are red. Some are yellow or orange. Ladybugs use their antennae to find food. Let's move on. What can this animal be? Let's find its ears first. Ears and eyes. Woohoo! Wait, it's wrong. That's how we put it. I think we can use this piece too. Perfect, let's keep going. Look at this smiley mouth. I bet it's just what we need. Don't you think there must be a tail here? For example, this one. Let's look for the body now. Oh, what a cute collar with a tiny bell. I think we just need another piece, and we're done. Maybe it's this one? Yes, it's a dog! Dogs are people's best friends. They are smart and can even see dreams. Let's take a look at this animal. Can we find its eyes? Maybe these are the eyes we need. We gotta check. Nah, they're too big. Then these eyes must be right. It fits. Let's check the other one. Woohoo! Next, we need to put the body together. I found one of the pieces. Here it goes. It's the biggest one. Now look for something round, guys. Aha! Let's see if it fits. It does. It's a snail. Snails have eyes on stalks and leave a trail of slime wherever they go. Do you know this animal? Let's find its ears. Yeah! Nope, it's not ears. I think we've got them. Wrong one. That's better. But we need one more. Gotcha. Let's put you in your place. Now what? The head. Here it is. We'll search for the body pieces next. I'm sure we need this piece. Yep, just one more left. Look at that. Tiny paws holding carrots. rabbit! Rabbits can jump and twist in the air. They have long ears that help them hear really well. Just one animal left. Where are its eyes? Here they are, round and big, and green, right? This eye is definitely in its place. Now we need the other one. Let's spot the legs. That's not hard to do. Haha! One leg goes here. And the other one goes right next to it. Let's see which piece fits here. Must be this one? Right! Will we find the head? Aha! Gotcha! Nice! And the belly? It's right here. It's a frog. Frogs can live both in the water and on dry land. They have strong legs that help them jump long distances. We've put all the animals together. Great job, friends. Thanks for playing with me. Bye.